Today's video is sponsored by iHerb. Hey guys, today I'm sharing with you luxury home hacks on a budget, and what's more, they actually work. I feel like that's really important, especially with videos like this these days. All right, let's jump into it. First, easy statement pieces for your home. Conversation starters, they're gonna blow your mind. Go to the thrift store and find a really ugly canvas. I'm talking, you do not like it at all. You can get a really inexpensive shower curtain, and using a staple gun, we are gonna make this art gorgeous and show you lots of possibilities for your home. Now I'm gonna get my fabric scissors, which my children have conveniently brought downstairs, probably to open up candy. And we are going to give this a little cut right around the spot that I want. This does not have to be that precise, friends. Once your pattern is lined up, give it a flip, staple in the center on one side, pull it nice and taut, staple on the other. Then I do the top and bottom and add 4 staples in between the originals. I fold over the corners and add 4 staples on top of that, and I trim off the excess fabric. This one was Charlie's favorite, and it genuinely looks so high-end. And who says you can't make something yourself? Here I am using a $1.25 mop. I dipped it in some old paint I already had, and then I put it on a canvas. For about $3, I have really high-end looking art that I made really, really fast. If you want to elevate it even more, put it into a shadow frame. This looks so beautiful in our bathroom. And I've got so many more tricks for you, from $1 ideas to painting, and it may not be what you think, so don't go anywhere. And since we're talking about improving your home, let's talk about improving your life too. And today's sponsor, iHerb. I am super picky with the brands that I work with, but you're gonna see why I love them so much in a minute. They have super affordable items on their site, everything from vitamins to beauty to even snack foods. Plus, free shipping over $20 in the United States, and they are available internationally. I wanna show you guys some of my favorite products. There's over 30,000 products on the site, but some of our favorites are the supplements. The California Gold Nutrition 100% whey protein isolate we eat every single day. I also really love the Protein Crisps Peanut Butter by Sierra Fit. I am constantly throwing these inside of our pool bag. I've also personally been getting into the skincare. They have PrescriptSkin, which is a retinol night cream I use every couple of days and love it. It's got great reviews and is really affordable. I also really love that they have a rewards program, so you can actually earn credits by answering questions or even referring friends and family. I also wanted to show you this home hack, especially if you have fruit that's on the fritz. Strawberries and lemons with water on the stove. I just got some coconut oil from iHerb. I added a little bit in because I had some left over. Simmer this. Your whole house will smell great. Definitely try that one. Plus, of course, this is do it on a dime, so you get a discount code, an additional 20% off using this code right here. The link is down below. Plus, for your convenience, all of the products I mentioned in this video. What do we think? Do we want to see some more home hacks? I know I'm ready. Let's hit it. These next 2 tricks anyone can do. Really quick solutions to modernize an outdated or builder grade home. Lots of times your wall outlets are kind of a beige color. They look really outdated. Did you know they sell outlet covers? These go right over your existing outlets, especially the ones that look really dingy. Immediately update them on a budget. Also, if you cannot stand wire shelves, I am right there with you. Recently, I shared in a video about how you can create wire shelf covers. The hardware store will cut this down for you. I like to call ahead to make sure the machine is in good working order. We talked about that in the comments last time. You can paint this to help it match your board and just use finishing nails to connect it together and slip it over your shelves. The great thing about this is it looks elegant and nothing is gonna fall through. Next is a personal favorite, the power of paint. Especially if you have an older home, I feel you. You want to update your cabinetry, but you do not have time to sand, paint, or prime. Nobody's got time for that, and you can avoid it. So my best recommendation, and I can fully say this because it has held up for years, is to find a paint with nano bond technology. What does that mean? This is a paint that bonds, primes, and seals all in one step. And What's more, it only needs 1 to 2 coats depending on the color. No sanding required. A really tiny jar of this is going to take you so far. You just roll it on with your regular roller brushes. I did this just in one afternoon. A way you could tell if the paint is going to be really good is if it bonds to multiple surfaces, whether it's wood or laminate or plastic. This is the type of paint I would recommend using. You can get some really inexpensive hardware. Don't forget to put your little bumpers on, and oh man, this looks incredible and was done for just about 40 bucks. Painting cabinetry is really trendy right now, but did you know you can also paint tile? I'm not kidding. You just want to sand it down. This doesn't have to take very long, just a little bit to get all of the varnish off. And then you want to degrease your area and then just wipe it down with some water afterwards. Here's the secret. Your first coat of paint is an epoxy seal. This is basically the same paint you would use to paint a garage floor. I know that sounds crazy, but I did a ton of research on it. And then once you've done that, you're going to go over it with chalk paint. I just use a basic trusted brand and a roller brush. Seal it off with a clear polyacrylic. We did this in just 2 days, and oh man, did the kitchen feel so nice, bright and white, and it's still holding up 3 years later, the same as the day we painted it. You're ready for your hosting moment, which brings me to my next trick. If you're not into painting stuff, you're definitely going to want to try these easy event tricks that are all from the dollar section. I love creating simple tablescapes. I got some floating candles for just $1.25 for 2. These are some of my favorites. I love the hurricane vases. Eucalyptus is one of my favorite plants to work with because it lasts for so long, especially as it dries. It still looks beautiful. I got the entire bunch for $3 from my local store, and these succulents were just $1 each. I removed the succulents from their little pots, and then I got some pebbles. Be sure to wash these before putting them into your canisters. Add some succulents to the bottom and fill with water. Even though they're plastic succulents, this is going to make them look so realistic. I was so excited and surprised by how high-end this looked. It would be perfect for a baby shower, a wedding, or even just an elegant summer gathering. These chargers are from the dollar section, as well as these little plates. I really like the wood look on them. And a brand new product are these pocket napkin holders. They come already assembled for you. I just loved them. The pillar candlesticks are some of my favorite. This entire tablescape was done for just 20 bucks. And at night, it's a definite wow. Also, balloons are so trendy right now. It gives you that high-end feel when you're throwing a party at home, but you can do it really fast. I absolutely adore my balloon pump. That's probably one of my best purchases of 2020. And this came in a kit with larger and smaller balloons for just a couple of dollars in the dollar section. I also love the balloon strips. You just stick it inside and you can cascade this down any spot of your home. How beautiful is this? Any party would be a wow. Leave a comment below with your favorite home hack, or maybe just your favorite from the video, because I would love to keep making videos like this. I love the community dialogue, and be sure to check out iHerb. A huge thank you to them for sponsoring today's video, and use the code right here to get a 20% discount. My sweet friend, if nobody has told you today, you are enough. I'll see you guys soon.
Hi. Actually, I'm gonna need you to move though. Excuse me, I know you're so comfy. I love you so much. I do. Copper!